In service since August 2014, the Bayraktar TB2 is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Turkey. It is designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat operations. The TB2 is a medium-altitude drone capable of flying at altitudes of up to 24,000 feet. Operated by 3 ground crew members, has a top speed of 138 miles per hour, a range of 2,485 miles, and capable of flying for 27 consecutive hours. It can carry various payloads, including electro-optical and infrared sensors, laser designators, and synthetic aperture radar for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. The TB2 is also equipped with an armament system, enabling it to carry and deploy precision-guided munitions. This capability makes it an effective drone for combat operations, including targeted strikes. Close to 30 nations operate the TB2,